Hey everybody, Wolfie here, and somewhere over there's Harley. um, Learning day for Harley. She's gonna start learning about using the chainsaw because she's been making solo trips and stuff back here, so kind of an important thing for her to learn. I've already been over maintenance and stuff for sharpening and everything, and now she gets to do the fun part. So we'll head outside and get this stuff all done. Ready?
Yep.
You got no hat on.
Did you have a second one?
Right up there. It's ugly, but it works.
That's okay. I'm allowed to be ugly in the woods.
Okay, need your good gloves. That's a definite must. You've got your safety boots on. I'm gonna get my
No chop knots.
good gloves. And yeah, we got the saw all ready to go. That can just stay right here for now. We haven't picked out her log that she's going to cut yet, but we've got to teach her how to start it first, so that's kind of a little more important.
Yeah.
Okay, set the saw on the ground. Okay, so here's the issue. You've got your choke here.
Mm-hmm.
This is your kill switch. Pull starter, obviously. Primer bulb is down here.
Okay.
Okay. See this right here?
Yeah.
You cannot pull this trigger on the saw unless this is pressed in.
Okay.
Really important safety feature. You've got your chain brake. When it's pulled back, the saw is active, like the brake's off. You want it forward for starting it. Okay, first thing you're going to do, pull your choke out. All the way out. Yep. See how it automatically turned the switch on?
Yep.
Really cool feature that they've added to saws. I love it. Okay, now your primer bulb, because we just filled the tank up, you want to press that primer bulb in 3 times, like 3 or 4 times. That gets the gas moving through the system.
Mm-hmm.
And when you look at the primer bulb, you'll be able to see gas in the bulb.
And change the color in it as you prime it.
Yeah. Now, take this foot. You want this foot resting on the bottom here. Okay? Grab your pull starter.
Pull?
Yep. Okay, give her, put everything you got into her. Okay. Okay, hold on. Now, put your choke part way in. Try it again. I will start it for you if we need to, but our luck, today's going to be the day that the saw acts like a little... Okay, hold on a sec. You can take the camera. Gloves on. Okay. When it fires or starts, push your choke in, then bring it back out to the first spot.
Okay.
Because it's got the 2 different notches there. Never hit the gas while the brake's on. You're going to force the brake and you can damage the saw or break the chain.
Yeah.
Okay. saw's running, so we're going to pause the video here for a minute, and we're going to find you a log for you to cut. Okay, so she's got her saw, she's got her log that she's going to start learning with, and we're going to try and prop the camera up right here on the wood pile. Hopefully this works. I can fall over now on it. Hey, I gotta have my gloves on for safety. Okay, so now you take the chain brake off. You'll hear a click sound. There you go. Now hit the throttle. Okay, now, like I've already explained, you want it full throttle when you start cutting the cut. And keep the saw at your side like this, not in front of you. Okay? Now, give her the gas. You want to start your cut with this part of the blade, not out here.
Okay, so up there?
Yep. Because you're used to hand saws, you got the motion going. You don't need that.
I don't need the motion.
Let the weight of the saw just drop down through.
Okay.
Okay? Do another one. Now, right in half. Now, reach in with your thumb.
Do that?
Drop down.
Nice.
Now put your chain brake back on. Technically, you should put the chain brake on before you, like as soon as you stop cutting.
Put it on.
Tilt your arm forward.
Like that. Push it.
And push it forward.
Okay.
Now, I'll give you an explanation of the chain brake on how it works. Okay, say you're cutting, right? And we'll take this thing off. So you're cutting, and the saw goes to kick back because it catches something. Purposes.
You can hit it with your arm or
No, it will automatically do it. Just
okay.
The way it's designed, it's meant to, so you don't have to think about that part. It'll do it.
As soon as it hits it.
Yeah, because the saw is going to jump like this. And when it does, if you're holding it with a good stiff arm here, it tilts up like that, back towards you, which is also why you never cut with it in front of you, always to the side.
Okay.
So, there you go. You just learned all the first parts of the basics to running the saw. And obviously, you don't use it alone.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
Common sense.
Don't be dumb.
Yeah, exactly. It's very serious and very dangerous tool.
Yeah.
As you know. And yeah, we've now cut some wood, and we're going to continue with the firewood and see what we can get cut up. So, I guess that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Harley got to learn something. Hopefully somebody else will at some point from the video, but probably not.
You never know.
Never know. Okay, so you set to cut some more?
Yep.
Okay, I'll get the camera put away and we'll get to work.
Going.